If you watched last week's episode, you would remember that we were at a bit of a crossroads in our national park road trip journey, and if we should do it, if we should not do it. But after hearing so many of you who messaged us and commented,
give
really good advice, we decided that we did want to show you, so we wanted to honor your request. So we decided the national parks probably won't be our main route, but we have decided that we wanted to drive through the 50 states and just tour around based on local recommendations. We love meeting people, and we have the most fun when we just go spur of the moment and do what the locals want to do instead of whatever we research online.
Yeah, off the beaten path a little bit.
Yeah.
So we looked into the legalities, and so far all of the stuff we filmed at the national parks does not fall under commercial filming as defined by the National Park Service. Because of that, we feel comfortable sharing this experience that we had at the national park. And as a reminder, we had and have no intent of making money off of the filming we did within the park, and it was just for our personal enjoyment. And so hopefully you enjoy and you learn something too. And yeah.
Enjoy. Thanks again for everyone who commented and messaged us on Instagram. This is for you guys. Enjoy. We are on our way to see if they have availability at the bathhouse to do a little bit of hot spring action here at Hot Springs.
Oh yeah. It's very hot, so I guess we're going to. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Cold water on the other side?
Okay.
Try that one too.
We got the whole the cold one.
Oh, nice. You got a whole truck filled with them. Nice.
Good.
But this hot.
This one's hot. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Try it. Or is it too hot?
Oh, we know where we're getting our coffee water tomorrow. It's hot.
Ooh, nice. I want to try.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so refreshing and nice. And now we're gonna bathe in it.
Yeah, a lot of people told us that you have to bring jugs and take water. Apparently it's really popular to get water and fill it up at these just springs that are available. So I'm glad we did that.
Yeah, it was nice. It's so warm.
It's really different from all the other national parks I've ever seen. This is the national park. This is part of it. This is Bathhouse Row. It's completely different from Yosemite or Yellowstone or anywhere else, right? It's there's stores here and there's people just walking around. People live back there. All right, we just finished our time at the bathhouse. Can't recommend it too much.
No, it's a very interesting experience.
Yeah, I feel like the services they offer and the employee knowledge on the services is different from what they actually have. So once we got in there, they kind of changed what stuff that they had for us. So kind of confusing, but anyway, we're still at Bathhouse Row. So we're gonna go down to this brewery. They brew all their stuff using the spring water, the hot spring water from here. And it's Luna's birthday. So they have a dog park that we're gonna check out.
There's a dog park too?
I mean, it's a dog patio.
Oh, okay, yeah. So she gets to celebrate at a brewery.
Exactly. Luna, are you happy?
Yeah, it's your birthday.
They had a dog menu, so Luna's getting some chicken.
It's her birthday, so she should. You ready to eat with us, baby? Happy birthday, sweetheart. This looks good. What in the world did you get?
Two Impossible patties, sandwiched with some mushrooms and onions.
Oh my goodness. I've never seen anything like that.
It's called the Fun Guy. So, with Impossible.
Okay. Try it.
Go.
Tastes like Impossible.
Huh?
Yeah. Cool.
Root beer is made out of spring water from underground. It's alright. I didn't like it that much.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Yeah, I felt like this root beer float was better at the place in Texas, actually.
Yeah.
Without the thermal water.
Food and services here.
Something's off. I don't know. Maybe we're just having an off day.
Maybe it's seasonal employees. No one knows what's going on here.
Yeah.
But one thing that's really cool is super dog friendly. There's dogs everywhere, and people have been stopping us to talk to Luna. I think what makes this place different is because it's not a protected natural environment. The springs are protected, they're underground and all that. But the our environment around us is like more of a historical place, and that might be why it's so friendly for dogs. It's not like they're trying to protect a natural resource that can be harmed by the dogs. That makes it really cool. But these are everywhere, and like we see people picking, like, yeah, filling up. It's awesome. So give us the education on the spring water.
Well, the spring water, one of the really neat things about it is they don't add any chemicals, anything like that to it.
No preservatives.
Some of the no preservatives, no artificial intelligence added. Eventually, the water is about as good as you can get anywhere in the world.
Life is for living. So
If you don't, and then you come back to it later on, I think it's one of the reasons for restlessness in some marriages is that one of them didn't get to have the great adventure.
Yeah.
Well, I'm lucky that we both wanted to
We
have a
both
great adventure
did,
together.
yes.
It's nice to meet you.
Yes.
Your first name?
Jaisal.
Jaisal, and I'm Sonia. So
hi,
nice to
Sonia.
meet you.
And this is Luna right here.
Yeah.
So we made it here to, I think it's called Golfa Gorge. Yes. It's a gorge at the end of like the Hot Springs Valley, and this is where we're camping tonight. We got to see the historic district, so now we get to see the natural district of the Hot Springs. So maybe we'll do a little bit of a hiking and see how it goes. We're gonna do a little exploring. So there's this river that flows right behind the campsite. It reminds me when we were kids, we would go out with our family to like Sequoia or Yosemite and these national parks, and with our families we would just sit and like get into the river. So today's a little bit, it's raining, it's a little cool, so I don't think I want to do that, but it brings back memories. There's a lot that national parks have to offer for like individuals, for families, for kids, for pets, everybody. So some good memories to relive. Nice to just go on a little walk after dinner around the campsite. But it's still bright out, so
A lot of people are out too. It's so nice.
yeah, it's so nice. Just trying to enjoy the last of the sunlight, and then call it an early night.
We wanted to sign up Luna to be a bark ranger. So they had a list of activities here of things she had to do. She had to embark on a hike, drink the spring water, explore the bathhouse row, and take a photo there, which she checked, marked, and did all of them.
Yay.
So she got a little certificate. Congrats, Luna! Oh, don't eat it! Good girl. My girl's a park ranger. So hot, but it feels so good.
Oh, this is where it's coming out from down there.
Yeah, look at the bubbles. Wow.
So while we walk the promenade, I wanted to share some hot facts about Hot Springs National Park. It was recognized as a national park in 1921. Before that, the bathhouses were here and they were operated independently. Up until the 1960s, according to the state laws, they were segregated, and until the federal government came in and recognized that as unconstitutional, then it was finally overturned and allowed for all public use. So this water right here that's coming out right now is actually 4,000 years old. After the rain falls on the mountains, gravity pushes the water downwards through the cracks in the rocks all the way to the Earth's crust, which heats it up, and then it comes out of the hot springs, and that takes 4,500 years for that whole cycle to happen. Pretty interesting. It is the 16th national park in the United States. Average temperature that the water comes out of the hot springs is 143 degrees Fahrenheit, 62 degrees Celsius.
Oh, that's so nice and refreshing. Got some back for Oliver too. We're having a quick PB&J sandwich so we can keep exploring.
Can't skip fresh fruit, so got some nice mangoes too.
Yum. Bon appetit!
Thank you. What's this, Sonia? What is that?
I'm not finished eating. I'm gonna. What? What's wrong with it?
Nothing's wrong with it, but why are you eating it like that?
You know, I don't know. That's actually, I never noticed. I guess, do I eat peanut butter jelly sandwiches like that?
I haven't seen you eat it like that before.
Maybe I wanted to eat all of the crust so I can get to the good part, which is the very center. We recommend getting big jugs when you come to the hot springs here to fill up, but we don't have the space and this is all we got, so we're gonna fill these up so we can make the most of the hot spring water. All the way to the top. Oh, perfect.
All right, so we're gonna drive through the historic district, and at the end of the historic district is the scenic drive.
It's a promenade walk where we were walking just earlier.
Unique, this is really fun.
Yeah, this is so nice.
You can see like springs popping up all on the sides of the roads.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Originally, this road was built as a for horses and carriages in the 1880s, and that's why it's so zigzaggy and it's a one-way. But it makes it an interesting drive. We're climbing this mountain really quickly, really steeply.
Even on pretty drives, we still have this guy giving us issues.
Only the rain that falls in the recharge zone comes out of these hot springs. So that's why this area is protected by the National Park Service, because if this area is destroyed or used for other purposes, then the springs would stop working in about 4,000 years.
Yeah, so it's good that it all flows underneath so we can't damage it or ruin it. Alright, we're at the end of the loop and we're gonna fill up one more time for some cold spring water.
Been here any longer, but my grandfather helped put in Hickory Hollow, the springs.
Wow.
He worked for the Park Service, and
Wow.
so we always use Happy Hollow. This is, yeah.
That's awesome.
Very nice. Take a sip. How does it taste?
Let's see.
Let me get
This
a
is
sip.
refreshing.
Yeah, I need a cold one.
This
It's
is
62
so
degrees,
nice.
We had it at 140.
Much easier to drink. I think Luna's enjoying too. Good girl.
I just threw him in a clean trash bag before I left.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much. This is
I appreciate
Absolutely here.
so here's a reminder, if we're gonna come here, bring jugs. Thank you for
3 of them? Oh my god.
We'll get into Mississippi before we run out. All right, fill them up now.
God, yeah. We're on YouTube. I don't know if, do you feel comfortable being on the camera? I just wanted to ask first.
It's fine, yeah.
Wow, now I can fill up so much more. Yay! Thank you.
Luna's getting a little splashdown.
Oh, sorry. I know.
Border Collie is gorgeous.
Oh, thank you so much.
He actually fell and broke his hip working on the Park Service. So when
Oh, wow.
he saw the promenade up there,
Yeah.
he broke his hip doing
Oh
that. But he did what he loved, you know? Yeah.
Around what time was that? Like how many years ago?
That was 1960.
In the 60s.
59 and 60.
So
I will
sweet.
tell you, if you go to Dollar Tree, do you
Yeah.
know what Dollar Tree?
Yes, yeah.
The Crystal Springs,
Yeah.
this water is bottled in Hot Springs.
No
It's
way.
the Ouachita Mountains.
Oh.
Yes, a lot of people don't know it, so you'll see it on that bottle. So,
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's
If-
from here. Arkansas, bottle near
Yeah.
here.
Okay.
Ouachita, yeah.
Oh my
So-
gosh, that's awesome.
So that's pretty cool. So when I'm out of water up there, that's
Just
why I
grab
have
it.
these jugs.
Amazing. So smart. This one as well, or is it just that one? Okay, just that
That
one.
came from
Okay.
Sam. Stay away from Sam.
Okay. Don't need those.
Those are good.
Thank you so much.
Oh, you're so welcome. You guys have a safe.
Thank you.
Thank you. If
So we just filled up at the Cold Springs. I think it's called Happy Hollow Cold Springs. And we met a lovely lady, Cindy, right?
yes, Cindy.
And she gave us these jugs because we didn't have any jugs. So we were filling up in the protein bottles and our little plastic water bottles. And she said, no, you got to take some. So thank you for that. Arkansas local love shown to us. So thank
This is
you.
amazing. Yeah, you're so sweet. We're meeting so many friendly people. We're so lucky. It's too bad they didn't have a host so we could fill this guy up.
Mushrooms that we got from the farmer's market today. I'm making wraps. So that's going to go into them along with the fresh spinach that we got from the farmer's market today.
Awesome.
A bunch of other ingredients too, but these are the kind of the highlights. I cooked the mushroom caps just for a little bit with our Beyond sausages, like the vegan ones. And then the stems, I'm cooking in the skillet for a little longer because the guy who sold us the mushrooms, he said that they're a little chewier, so cook them for a little longer. So hopefully that works out nicely. Hard at work, but here, try one piece. Just grab the
Ooh.
top piece of the mushroom. Yeah. I haven't tried it yet.
There's a stem.
This is stem.
It's a little chewy. What a good flavor.
Okay, I just tried it too.
He even said it was going to be chewy though.
It's chewy. It's kind of like green beans, like string beans, but like
Yeah.
it's very flavorful. It's nice.
Yeah, the flavor's nice.
Nice.
I have some nice hot spring water in our copper mugs. Our copper cups. Ooh, it's nice and warm. Cheers.
Yay! Cheers. We ended up with how many? Like almost 10 gallons of this stuff. Here you
Wow,
go.
so good.
Yeah.
Bon appetit.
Yes. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. So, what do you think about our trip so far?
This is probably one of the most unique national parks I've ever been to.
Definitely.
Because there's the city part of the national park, the historic, downtown area, and then the natural area. So that was pretty cool. It's something different, and I really enjoyed it. We got a little bit of both, because usually it's just all natural. But it was nice to be a little bit in the city and see everyone walking around with their dogs and seeing all the fountains everywhere. It was so peaceful and nice. And
Definitely
different.
unique. Like it felt more like, yeah, like what you said. I think was perfect. In the coming years, it'll probably keep getting better because I know they're doing renovations and upgrades and planning to really put some more infrastructure into the original parts of the historic area. Hopefully, that'll attract more visitors. But
Yeah.
I thought it was unique, and the best part for me was the people we've met.
I was
think
just gonna say
every
that
time,
that was the best part.
so far the trip, that's always been like the highlight is the people. We met so many people, shared so many stories on and off camera, right? And like, it's I think that's gonna be the best part of this journey is meeting people.
Yes, I completely agree.
Yeah.
So nice meeting everyone here in Arkansas. I mean, it's not just people in Arkansas. There are people visiting from everywhere. We met someone who came all the way. He said he came all the way from Africa to drink the spring of life water.
That's
And yes, and people from Louisiana. Everyone was just so sweet.
All right, stay tuned.
Thanks, guys. Bye. See you next week.
And are you okay? What happened?
I don't know. I think a leaf hit me. Sorry.
You thought it was a
Sorry
bug?
to interrupt.
I was so distracted.
Oh my god. It just came and hit me on the back of my head. Sorry, continue.
What is that?
I don't know, but I think it was on me this whole time.
That's what fell on you?
I think so.
Whoa, it's going.
Oh god, what is that? Is that a cockroach?
No.
It flew though.
But these are gone bad.
Shut up.
There's fungus in here.
Good one.
Back up, back up. You hit record.
Oh. Oops.